Just going to do a quick analysis for you guys on SPY. Obviously the S&P. If you take a look here, I've drawn some circles. You can see this rally. This is a 1 year, 1 day chart. You can see we had this falling wedge occur here in this area, and then the breakout, another falling wedge occur here, and then a breakout. If you look, we have these 2 consolidation points, another 2 consolidation points. Here's another consolidation point. And this consolidation point is occurring, as we described in the other videos, because it's trying to break through this resistance caused by these consolidation points here, right? An old bottom becomes a new top. So that 415 line that we drew a while ago, which comes from old prices here, that's providing that resistance. And what I would expect to happen here, a decision will get made. It will either break up through and rip up back to this 428 mark, or will fall down at least to the 404 or deeper here. And there's 2 big things to watch out for in the next 2 weeks. One is on Friday, which is the CPI number to see what is happening with inflation. The other one is next week, the Fed meeting, for them to talk about interest rates and what they think, if they're going to keep raising interest rates. So 2 big market movers. I think that's what everybody's kind of waiting for, just playing this back and forth. I did buy some puts that cover both Friday and next week so that I can have some protection there if there is a big sell-off, as the majority of the portfolio is still long. Everything that happened today, which is kind of fascinating, is you can see SPY is up on the day, and the VIX is actually also up on the day, right? That's a very strange thing to see occur, that both SPY and the VIX is up. So now it's down. But what it was telling you is that it's both up. What happens there, or what that means, is that it's likely signaling this as a top. So if you want to take a look back here, this is the day chart on SPY. We had this kind of sell-off occur throughout the day, and tried to rally back into this price point, but a lot of pull down to this 410 number. So I would expect us to continue moving lower, but I think we'll consolidate for a little while in this spot as we wait out those 2 big events. So I hope this helps, guys. God bless. Enjoy the day.